Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to stake. So what you need to do is first you need to open the stake, and after that you need to go to the wallet or deposit section. Make sure you have chosen USDT Tether as a cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Choose the network you want to use or another supported network and copy the USDT deposit address from stake. And next is you need to open the Binance app on device. And from here, you need to select the assets in the bottom right and make sure you have verified your identity already. And after that, you need to follow the on-screen instruction. You need to select withdraw, then choose crypto, search for and select USDT. Paste the USDT deposit address you copied from the stake into the address field and select the same blockchain network that you selected on stake and enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer and review the withdrawal details and everything looks correct. Tap withdraw and confirm, and that is it. That is how you can transfer USDT from Binance to stake. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.